Mechanical keyboard versus normal keyboard. 1. How they work. Mechanical keyboard. Each key has its own individual switch. The switches contain springs and mechanisms that provide a tactile or clicky feedback when pressed. Examples of switches: Cherry MX Blue, clicky; red, linear; brown, tactile. Normal keyboard. All keys sit on a rubber membrane layer. When a key is pressed, the rubber membrane touches the circuit underneath, registering the input. No individual mechanisms or feedback for each key. 2. Typing. Experience. Mechanical keyboard. Smooth, responsive, and satisfying to type on. Provides tactile or audible feedback with every keystroke. Ideal for gaming and fast typing. Reduces finger strain during long typing sessions. Normal, membrane, keyboard. Flat and less responsive typing experience. No tactile or audible feedback. Suitable for general typing and office work. Can cause finger fatigue during prolonged use. 3-dot sound dash mechanical keyboard dash louder typing sound, especially with clicky switches like Cherry MX Blue. Some users find the noise satisfying, while others may find it distracting. Normal. Keyboard. Quiet and minimal typing noise. Perfect for shared spaces or quiet environments like offices. 4. Price. Mechanical keyboard. More expensive due to high-quality materials and switches. Prices typically range from 5,000 to 20,000 rupees or more. Normal. Keyboard. Affordable and widely available. Prices usually range from 500 to 2,000 rupees. 5. Durability. Mechanical keyboard. More durable, as the switches can withstand millions of keystrokes. Rated for 50 million to 100 million keystrokes. Normal, membrane, keyboard. Less durable, as the rubber membrane can wear out over time. Rated for 5 million to 10 million keystrokes. 6. Weight and portability. Mechanical keyboard. Heavier and bulkier due to the metal or high-quality plastic construction. Less portable. Normal keyboard. Lightweight and easy to carry. Ideal for travel or office use. 7. Who should use it? Mechanical keyboard. Gamers and programmers who need fast and accurate typing. Users who enjoy tactile feedback and a premium typing experience. Those willing to invest in a long-term keyboard. Normal keyboard. Users on a budget. Those who prefer a quiet typing experience. Casual users who don't spend much time typing or gaming.